go for this session. We have here prismatoid. Okay, so ang prismatoid is this. Most likely, pag magtanaw mo sa figure, di mo ganahan magtanaw. Pero, wait lang. Definition sa prismatoid. Ang prismatoid is, it's a 3D figure na kung asa imuhang top base and the lower base. Basta the two bases, they are parallel. Okay, and then dapat ang imuhang mga sides, ang sa mga kilid class, it should either be a parallelogram, I'm sorry, was it a quadrilateral? It should be a quadrilateral or a triangle. Okay, now that's prismatoid. Ang prismatoid is that imuhang bases, they have to be parallel with each other, and imuhang mga sides, imuhang mga lateral sides, it has to be either triangles or quadrilaterals. That's a prismatoid. And the volume for a prismatoid is this class. H over 6 area times the area of the first base plus the area of the second base plus 4 times the area of the midsection. Midsection is, yeah, midsection. Wala to siya. So, mo yung formula ha. Painful siya tanawan, no? So, muna sa itong formula. Pero, muna siya mga type of problems na sa board exam or siguro masking sa college exam, if you don't know the formula, skip yun siya. Kay, kung wag ka kahibaw sa formula, I guess there's no way for you to be able to solve it ng good board. Okay. Kung mayon ka, mag-drive ka, marag lisod man. Diba? So, pag inani, pag nag-review ka sa board exam, if you're someone who's reviewing for board exam, kani siya pag prismatoid, pag nakalimot mo again sa formula, skip sa mo diretso ha. Kita mo laing problems na answeran niyo. Okay? Okay, if you know, you know. If you don't, you skip. Maragana ba ang concept na to? Sige, so solve ta. Ay, wait lang. Mo to ang prismatoid ha, pero kaning formula na kung ibutang dira, pwede siya magamit in special cases like this. So, mo ni mga special cases. If ang problem is if the problem is given a circular base and a cross-section perpendicular to a given diameter, pag manginaan yung problem class, you can use the formula na You can use this formula, the prismatoidal formula. Or, pwede po siya cylindrical wedge or the intersection of two right cylinders. So, kani siya na, 1. Ang mga special cases natin is kaniha, 1, given circular base and a cross-section perpendicular to a given diameter. Special case number 1. Special case number 2 is cylindrical wedge, and special case number 3 is intersection of two right cylinders. So, pag mga inaana na problems ang inyong ma-encounter during the exam or the board exam, that means to say, pag inaana na problem ha, you can use this formula class to solve those problems. Kay mga special cases to siya, wherein the prismatoidal formula is pwede siya ma-apply. Okay? Sige, solve ta. I guess I have 3 sample problems for this. Solve ta ni. Okay. So a solid has a circular base of radius 20 centimeters. Find the volume of the solid if every plane section perpendicular to the base along a given diameter is an equilateral triangle. So kani siya na problem if imo siyang basahag tarong, it's a special case na inani na case, no? Special case to siya class K. Mo siya kani mismo given circular base and a cross section perpendicular to a given diameter awa. You have given a circular base and then a section that is perpendicular along a given diameter. So, this is a special case where we can use the prismatoidal formula to solve for the volume of the figure. Okay, so, mo ni siya ang figure na to class. Gidraw na ako. Na ang figure daan kay ug ako pa mag-drawing, marag stressful gid kayo, no? Sige. Okay. So, sa kitong volume, h over 6, a1 plus a2 plus 4an. Okay, so one thing that I forgot to mention, class, is for the height is not the literal height of the figure ha. Ang height by definition for this, the h rather, let's call it h na lang. The h is the distance from the base to the other base. Dili yun siya literal na height. Sa itong problem, ma-realize na siya. Pero moto kong point, h is not the height mismo ha, but rather it is the distance from the base to the other base. Alright, so sige, solve ta para ma-relate ninyo. So for this one, muna to ang midsection. So ang atong bahaton is kung kani padayunan na to draw jud atong triangle, inana na siya. Ana na siya. Magsikag draw, ana. Di ba murag moabot ka sa point na kana oh. Moabot ka sa point na murag point na lang ka. Di ba? Aba. Ana. Di ba nagkagamay ang atoan equilateral triangle? So diri as a point na kana, kana na point dara point na lang ka. Say for example, this is your area 1 and that is your area 2. So ang kanang pinakatumoy mo na tong mga areas 1 and 2, right? So point na lang man ka, therefore your area is negligible lang. So kani atong area 1 and area 2 is actually considered to be 0 na lang sa mga inani na cases. Pero atong area sa midsection, masolve yun na to siya. Kaya obviously, awad ako kaya atong area sa midsection test. So, pila may area sa midsection? Pila may equilateral triangle, di ba? Given, asa naman to. Tara, equilateral triangle. So, square root of 3 over 4 e squared. So, ikapila ginato gigamit ang equilateral triangle, no? Sa pag-solve. So, motong anak ko, timan i ninyo ang formula niya, ha? Sige. So, pila man ang e, square root of 3 over 4. Pila tong e class? Pila ang edge sa equilateral triangle? Di ba ang circular base iyang radius is 20? So, kung radius is 20, kani as a whole, 40. Tama? Kani as a whole. Kani, circle gid ni siya tong figure. Pangit, circle gid na ang base na to. Pangit na gid na ko siya pagkabuhat, ha? Pero mo to kong point. Sige. Kani siya as a whole, 40 na siya kay ang radius 21 daw. So, 40 squared dapat ka diri. So, pila itong makuha na answer? Pakit-solve daw ko. Sa area sa midsection, pila mo na itong makuha na answer? It's, pila? 692.82 centimeter squared. Ang height, kaning h class, unsa man ang h, di ba as I said just minutes ago, na h is not the literal height of the figure, rather h is just the distance from your area 1 going to your area 2. So if that is your area 1, the distance going to the area 2 is kani as a whole. It's 1 diameter, right? So pila gyud diameter na to? 40. Therefore, imuhang h is 40. Hopefully, again ha, h is the distance from the area 1 going to area 2. In this case, it's 1 diameter in distance, so man ang 40 at ang gamito na h. So volume is 40 divided by 6. Area 1 is how much? 0. Area 2 is 0. Plus 4 times area of the midsection is how much? 692.82. So solving for volume, kuha na ba class? Solve ko. Bila itong nakuha? 18,475 centimeter cube. That is our answer for this problem, class. Okay? Sige. Tayan ta. Okay, kani similar problem lang. A solid has a circular base of radius 20 centimeters. Find the volume of the solid base if every plane section perpendicular to the base along a given diameter is a square. So, ganina, equilateral triangle to, no? Sa atong previous problem. Pero in our current problem, instead na equilateral triangle, square na siya, class. Sige. So, same concept lang. Volume is h over 6. A1 plus A2 plus 4 AM. Alright? Okay. So, kung siya, if padayunan pag ginatog draw ang mga triangles na atong mga square, di ba, maabot ta sa point nga atong area, point na lang. That is your area 1. Therefore, you can assume 0 na siya. Point na lang man na siya. Assume it to be negligible. So, 0 itong assign na value. Same on the other side, class. Pag ato aning ipadayon og draw, ato ang, pangit kaya akong drawing, no? Pero akong point lang is if, asa na to? If padayon na ito nag-draw itong square, mabot ka sa point na sa pinakatumoy sa imuhang figure, let's say area 2 na siya. Ang imong area 2, mahimong point na lang. Negligible na kumbaga yung area. So, let's say that's 0 na. And say, for example, this is your AM, area of the midsection. Okay, so pila ba area sa itong midsection? Square lang man eh. O say area sa imong square, e squared lang. Pila si e? 40, di ba? Okay. Diba 20 man na itong radius? So, kani as a whole, 40 ang iyahang isa ka side mismo sa toang square. Sa midsection na ha, na part. Okay, so that's 40 squared. Pila na siya? 1,600. How about your h? Diba, as I said a few minutes ago lang yun, na h is not the literal height, but h is just the distance from your area 1 going to your area 2. If this is your area 1, going to the area 2, pila man na siya, class? That's just one diameter. So, 40 rapod na imuhang h. Okay? So, volume is 40 divided by 6, area 0, 0, plus 4 times 1,600. So, solving for the volume of this figure, class, pila ito makuha na answer? Ito makuha na answer is pila? It's 42,667 centimeter cube. And there you have it, class, for this problem. Alright? Sige. I hope naka-follow lang ang tanan, no? If I'm speaking too fast, sorry, good kayo. Di mo good siya live, so di ko ka-accommodate mga concerns. Pero sige lang. Next last problem na ta for this session. Okay, so hopefully naka-follow lang yun ang tanan, no? So we have here a wedge is cut out of a cylindrical log of radius 4 by two planes. One is perpendicular to the axis of the cylinder, and the other intersects the first at an angle of 90 degrees along the diameter of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylindrical wedge using the prismatoid formula. Oy, keyword, cylindrical wedge. O sige, itong mga special cases na to, napagtay cylindrical wedge. So, pwede gid ay gamiton ng prismatoidal formula for the cylindrical wedge. Ang nakanindot po is gi-state gid sa problem no unsa imong gamiton o using the prismatoid formula. So, at least niingon sa clue na in case of nakalimot mo, gamitin doon niya ang prismatoid formula na siya. Sige, so mo na to ang cylindrical log na kung asa ang radius is 4. Then gikat ko tahay kani imong cylindrical log. Gikat daw siya paana. Okay, kay kung kani ang axis sa imuhang cylindrical log, nag-cut ka pa perpendicular, so mo ni imong cut. Tama? So in this case paana siya. Then gikat na pud nimo siya at ang angle of 30 degrees, so 30. So kung kani siya i-3D na ko ni, kina kung 2D, i-3D mo gini iyang naong class. Mo na siya tong wedge. Cut ka pa ana, tapos i-ana nimo, mo na imong 30 degrees dira. Mo na to ang cylindrical wedge. Okay? So apply na to ang prismatoid formula. Formula is V is equals to H over 6 A1 plus A2 plus 4AM. Alright. Okay, so same lang gihapon if kani magbuotag right triangle, pag ako ning paningkamutan og human, paana, basta gets niyo akong point. Hantod sa mabot ka diri sa imuhang, let's say that's area 1, wherein the area is somehow considered to be negligible. So atong area 1 is again 0 ra gihapon. Okay? How about diri sa pika side, hantod kung magsige kag draw og right triangle dira sa figure, mabot ka dira na point, nga point na lang ka, let's say that is your area 2. So we can see as well, area 2 is also equal to 0. Kala na to. Sige, how about your midsection? So kanang naka-dark o green class, that is your midsection. So mo ni siya sa figure na to. You have the 30 degrees here. This is 4. Asa gikan ang 4? 4 is the radius of the log. Kay kani radius mo gyud ni sa imong log. Kay ang pagtunga baya awa. Ako mo ni mo axis, tunga na siya into 2. So kani sa pikas isa ka radius, isa pud ni ka radius ang sa may left side ninyo. So 4 ni siya, hopefully nagets lang to. Kani to h lang na siya. So mo-solve ba na to si h? Solve na to si h. Kano i-solve na to si h? Para makuha na tong area ani triangle sa atong midsection. So solving for h at tabi, tangent 30. So that's sa katawa. So towa. That's opposite, which is 8, divided by the adjacent side, which is 4. So nasolve na natin tong h. Pila si h? That is 2.31. So makuha na to ang areas ng midsection, 1/2 base times height lang man na iyang area sa triangle lang man na siya. 1/2 basis for height is 2.31. Therefore, masolve na tong areas ng midsection, which is how much? Pasolve ko class. 4.62. Pero pa na human. Okay. So, V is equal to, pilay H. Diba H is the distance? Asa na to? H is the distance from your area 1 going to the area 2. Tama? So, pila man na siya class. H is not the literal height ha. Basig kani yung gamiton H. Or di kaya kana na H. Dili ka na. Ang H na ginapangayo diri kana na formula nato is the distance lang from your area 1 going to area 2 lang yun. Pila man ni siya class. That's 1 diameter. Radius is 4 man siya. So, times 2 to get the diameter. That's 8. Divided by 6. Tapos, area 1 is 0. Area 2 is 0. 4 times 4.62. Alright, so masolve na to ang volume gas. So, pilay volume na to. Pasolve ko, please. Answer is 24.64 inch squared. Alright, and that's it lang, class, for tonight's lesson.